In this edition of Designing Spaces, your home looking weathered? Louisiana Pacific siding products combine durability, beauty, and are versatile enough to complement almost any home. In the market for quality building products and services, you're not going to find better than the materials, millwork, and manufacturing capabilities at BMC Stock Holdings. Looking for energy-efficient, comfortable, and safe insulation for the home or office? Johns Manville has environmentally friendly materials for any space, big or small.
I'm James, this is my wife Stella. We live in Wilmington, North Carolina, and we bought this 108-year-old house that we're trying to renovate.
James and Stella bought their house 8 years ago. The existing traditional wood exterior has withstood the test of time and the elements. But nothing lasts forever, so it was time to talk about options.
We've been trying to fix up the house, but we have extreme weather conditions here. And paint's always peeling, the boards are always falling off on the outside. So we thought, what can we do to re-side the house with something strong and durable and lower maintenance?
After Hurricane Florence, it was difficult to get anybody to come around to give us a quote.
After going online, they came across the LP SmartSide Trim Siding website and requested to speak with an experienced remodeler to learn more.
My name is Brent. I own LP Taylor. We're an exterior remodeling contractor based in Raleigh, North Carolina. We're also a proud member of the LP Build Smart program. I'm a master level participant, and that's actually how I got in touch with James and Stella, owner of this house.
James and Stella met with Brent, who explained the remodeling process and made some suggestions.
Well, what we have here is a product called SmartSide by a company called LP. They start with a naturally rot-resistant wood called aspen. To that, they add marine waxes on each little strand, as well as an MDI resin. That resin is what binds it together and gives it its strength. The siding starts out much thicker than you see it. And once that is compacted with heat and steam, then it creates a siding that is extremely durable.
After decisions were made regarding materials and color scheme, Brent and Company removed the old siding from exterior of the house and soon got started putting up the LP SmartSide siding. Stella had to leave for work, but James took the day off under the pretense of helping to oversee the installation. But in reality, he had a whole other reason for staying home.
The key to a successful install is preparation. As you can see, we've installed proper house wrap on your house. Once that is installed, we're gonna add a starter strip on the bottom. On top of that starter strip, we'll put LP SmartSide. LP SmartSide, again, has a 50-year warranty. This has been tested against 200-mile-an-hour wind gusts.
Wow.
As well as covers an 1 3/4 hail warranty on it, which is golf ball size hail.
That is great.
While James was learning about installing siding, Stella was minding the store.
We're here at my store, Lilies and Lace, in Wilmington, North Carolina, and James sometimes comes in and helps me out. He does all our back-end computer work, but James is at home today where they're putting up our siding, and I can't wait to see what it looks like.
James, every siding project has a last piece, and this one is it.
Awesome, it looks incredible. Thanks so much. Can you do me a favor though? I want to fix up the porch for Stella when she gets home. Can you help?
Absolutely.
Thanks.
Wow, the siding looks amazing.
It does.
Brent did a great job. Looks great.
It's awesome.
Wait, what did you do to the porch?
A little fixing up.
Oh my gosh, thank you. I love it.
Brent, you killed it. It looks so good. Thanks so much.
Oh, well, you're welcome, but the real thanks goes to my crew.
Yeah, we really love our siding, Brent, but is it really worry-free?
Hey, we install peace of mind, and that peace of mind comes with a 50-year warranty.
Great.
Awesome.
For more information on how LP SmartSide Trim and Siding can help protect your home for years to come, check out their website at lpsmartside.com.
Hi, I'm interior designer Elena Capra with Designing Spaces. Designing truly unique spaces for a variety of diverse clients requires inspiration and a whole lot of concentration. Where better to start my design process than the fabulous BMC Design Center in Dallas, Texas. BMC is one of the nation's leading suppliers of building products and my personal go-to for all my design needs. Let's go. Hey, Paul.
Hey, Elena, how are you?
I'm great. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Tell us a little bit more about BMC.
Well, you know, BMC is a very diversified company. From our lumber to our ready frame to our millwork and to our windows. Today, we're in our beautiful design center in Dallas, Texas. We have put this design center together for people like yourself, designers and architects alike, that are looking for inspiration to turn their customers' dreams into realities. Instead of me rambling on, let's go see it.
Sounds great.
All right. So Elena, we're now deep into the design center, and I wanted to show you these beautiful features that we have here. We have custom base, custom three-piece crown mold, and these cabinets. Aren't they spectacular?
I love it. I love a lot of the details. I'm also noticing the inset door. Very popular look. Mix of the walnut with the painted finish and the gray. So on trend right now, but also yet so classic.
You know, when our designers came up with that idea, I looked at them like they were crazy.
This is a perfect inspiration kitchen.
Say, Elena, I want to show you this beautiful kitchen. What do you think?
I love it, and it also has a lot of the actually 3 tones of different types of wood and finishes. What I love about that is that it's a statement. The magic of design, it looks phenomenal.
Let's go over to my custom shop over in Coppell. But safety first. So
All right,
put that
thank
vest
you.
on and let's head inside.
Excited to check it out.
I'm very proud of this. This is sapele mahogany.
Familiar with
yeah,
this thing,
sapele
yes.
mahogany out of Africa. We cut this from a sustainable forest there. It's kind of amazing how that works. When they say sustainable, for every tree they cut down, they plant 3. So I want to show you what this from rough lumber looks like when we mill it down. So come on, we'll look at those doors. What we're building today are interior doors. This machine squares it up and nails the header in. Come over here, I want to show you the really part. So this is the 990 FX. A robotic arm will pick the door up, set it on the conveyor, and then it goes down. And it's routing for the hinge, that's drilling the pre-drill, and then this is putting the hinges on. These machines can build a door unit every 1.5 minutes.
Wow. This house looks so pretty.
I tell you what, this is what I was telling you about. This thing is spectacular.
The brickwork alone is gorgeous.
Grand Homes has done a fantastic job here, I can tell you, that's for sure.
Wow.
Hey, Elena, isn't this a beautiful home?
Great house.
Now I want you to see the finished product that we've been talking about.
Paul, this place looks incredible. So many details, so many places for me to look. I don't even know where to start.
I wanted you to see the rest of the house. Look at this beautiful kitchen.
The kitchen is stunning. The styling of it is perfect for this sort of contemporary with a little classic twist. Now, I'm noticing there's a lot of beautiful details on these cabinets, specifically the legs. To see it set up like this in a kitchen, it's such a beautiful way. It's like a freestanding piece of furniture.
I really do like it.
Oh, it looks amazing, but can I just stop you really quickly?
Oh, sure,
the wainscoting. Typically, I'm so used to seeing more traditional wainscoting with the chair rail, and it's a little heavier, but this is such a great modern
Well,
look
you
to
know,
it.
BMC is known for spectacular moldings. Designers like yourself have taken a wainscoting idea and turned it into a more contemporary look. Let me show you something over here. So this is more of a traditional style header and pilaster, but look at what we've done with the header and pilaster. We've made it contemporary. Let me go over and I'm going to show you this as well. So Look at this room.
I love the beams. This is a little bit of a thinner type of beam, and the way they brought it down the wall, stunning. All of the details, Paul, are just so beautiful. Tons of design inspiration, so it really just got me in a great design mode, seeing all of this.
Fantastic.
Overall, I am so impressed with everything I've seen from BMC today. There's so many customizable options to really suit my clients' design needs. Thank you, BMC. I'm so excited to start designing my clients' dream homes.
I'm Vic.
I'm Andy, and we've been together for 9 years, and we just bought our new house.
We just moved in about 6 months ago into this beautiful historic home in Coral Gables, and little by little we're doing work on it because, you know, a house always has work to do. We love the home. It's definitely a fixer-upper, but we love to do DIY projects and things all the time, so this is great for us.
Living in South Florida, we have a ton of humidity. We deal with a lot of sun, a lot of rain. It's a constant battle with the elements. One of the main things we're tackling with the garage is moisture control. We've sealed the roof, and we are looking to find other ways to insulate and make it a more comfortable atmosphere.
If anyone knows climate control, it's the folks over at Johns Manville. They've been in business for over 160 years and have sent a rep over to consult Victoria and Andy on the install.
So we're all about helping our customers make spaces that are safe, comfortable, and energy efficient. Our products really get used in any sort of project, from huge commercial buildings all the way down to small home improvement projects. So we really love our DIY customers, and in addition to the products that we offer, we've got a lot of great resources online, like project guides, install videos, all of that to help make sure that the project comes off without a hitch. We design all of our building insulation products to be really easy to handle, really easy to install, and I'm looking forward to working with Vic and Andy on their project.
Hey!
Hey!
How are ya?
JR.
I'm Andy.
Nice to meet you. Nice bike.
Thank you.
So I understand you guys have got a project going, you need some insulation.
Yeah, we do. We are in there now. Victoria's actually got it started, and if you want, come take a look.
Fantastic. Let's go check it out.
Come on. So come check out the war zone we got going on here.
All right.
Oh, there's Victoria.
Hey!
Hello,
How are you?
JR.
Victoria, nice to meet you. Sorry for the mess. We're really just trying to make this a functional space.
No problem. So what are your goals? What are you guys trying to do?
Well, as you can see, we have a lot going on. We got the motorcycle. We're trying to make a workshop. And
I'd love to have a little yoga room space going on. So
Okay.
what do you think?
Sure. Well, I think we can definitely help with that.
Awesome.
First things first, we need to do some measuring.
Okay,
Right?
let's get on
Figure
it.
out how much we need. That's 2 feet. So I think that what's going to work really good for this project is our 2-inch thick AP foil foam board. This product is going to work really well. It's going to help moderate the temperature in here, and it's going to really help deal with keeping the humidity outdoors instead of indoors.
awesome, that sounds really good.
Now that the measuring's all done, all we really need to do is you guys want to get some long sleeves on, and we need to go get the product.
Flex those muscles.
In a flash, they're back, and JR is ready to run through the first steps.
You got the right stuff. Let me show you what we need next then. From a safety perspective, we want to have some gloves and safety goggles. We're going to need a straight edge for the cutting, as well as just a basic utility knife. We're going to secure the boards up with just some screws and a drill. And then at the end, we're going to seal off the edge with either caulk or canned foam. Piece of
Awesome,
cake.
sounds great.
All right, so you guys are all geared up and set, and now we just need to cut the boards. So we just need to measure up to where our cut point's going to be and check it maybe down a little bit down as well, so we have it all good.
Right there.
Perfect. Okay, so now you're just going to take the utility knife and you're just going to score all along the straight edge. Nice. We're now here over the edge. Ready? And we'll pop it. Now you can just use your knife to cut the back facer, and we'll be perfect.
This is amazing. Let your hand.
Super easy. There's nothing magic right about the fasteners here. We just want to put a few screws in the board. We're just tacking it up, right, to hold it in place until we can come back around and seal all the edges afterwards. Great. So all that's left to do is seal it up.
Excellent.
Got it.
So all we want to do with the caulk is to run a bead all around the whole perimeter of the board, and what that's going to do is just seal it in, make sure we don't have any air leaks, and that no humidity can get through.
Wow, that looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's perfect. Well done.
That's it?
That's it. Like I said, it's super easy.
No way, that was really easy.
Yeah, you guys have totally got this. This looks great. I think you guys can take it from here.
Yeah?
Yeah,
All right.
you're in great shape.
Well, it was a pleasure.
Nice meeting you.
Thanks so much for all your
Well done.
help.
My pleasure. We'll see you guys. Good
All right.
luck.
All right,
Guess we got 10 more to go.
let's do it.
Yeah, we got a few more boards and we got them sealed up and we'll be on our way out of here. Project's done, we got another one under our belt. I think we can go enjoy the rest of the day.
Let's go.
We've shown you Victoria and Andy completing the first phase of the project. To finish this space, repeat the project steps from the ceiling on all of the walls of your room. For more information on Johns Manville, visit jm.com or go to designingspaces.tv.
Pests, bugs, creepy crawlers, it's all part of the circle of life. That doesn't mean you have to live with them inside your home. One product I love to keep around my home is Great Stuff Pestblock. It's pesticide free and it won't harm bees and it'll keep those pests where they belong, outside. Let's grab a couple things and I'll show you how to get started. Remember, anytime you use Great Stuff, you need your protective eyewear, your gloves, and your long sleeve shirt. Then, securely fasten your Great Stuff Smart Dispenser to your can of Pestblock and shake the can for 60 seconds. After that, you're ready to start applying. Pests can enter the home at various locations. Under your sink where you have water or pipe penetrations, any place really you have a gap and crack from the inside to the outside of the home. The Great Stuff family is US owned and US made. And it's as easy as that. Great Stuff Pestblock keeps pests where they belong, outside of your home. And now with the new Smart Dispenser, you can use it in multiple places over and over again. To see the whole product lineup and learn just how versatile the Great Stuff family is, visit us at greatstuff.com and follow us on Facebook. You can also find us on designingspaces.tv.
For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.